Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I am making a video about a very special vehicle. It is indeed a SL, and I will share all the important information about it with you. But first we need to drive to the vehicle. It is about 10 kilometers away from here. And now let's head to the underground garage and make our way. Guys, we have now arrived and the vehicle is already here ready. This is a Mercedes-Benz SL, as already mentioned, and take a look at the beautiful SOS Roadster. This is a vehicle from the year 2002 with 306 horsepower. As you can clearly see, this rear here, some adjustments and modifications will still be made to the vehicle in the near future. What do you think of the front? Let me know in the comments how you feel about this front. Here we see a chip here. But it's not that important currently with this vehicle, because this is a project from a colleague of mine. I can tell you what changes will be made here at the present moment. Among other things, so the AMG body kit has already been installed. The dome rod is new. The exhaust will still be improved here. It is not fitted properly yet. I think it stands a bit too far out, I would say. What do you think about that? What else specifically was changed? So, what else will be done? The colleague is driving to Serbia tonight with this vehicle, and in Serbia the car is painted, mechanically repaired, and then wrapped. The color of the wrap is still open. Maybe you could also give some tips on what color you would recommend for this vehicle, or which wrap would look nice on this vehicle. Feel free to write in the comments. The wheels here, these are the normal. Well, what does normal mean? The original AMG wheels, which will be replaced by two-piece 11x20 inch wheels. It will look really impressive, and it will also get an air suspension installed, followed by a follow-up after the modifications. Let's take a look at this beautiful piece. So we can see that the steering wheel has been replaced. I think a new radio will be installed here, possibly with a touchscreen or Android. Here is the gear knob from the SLR. We have memory seats and 3 storage options. Then here is the cooling feature. And above that, the seat heating. Yes. What else is there to tell about the vehicle? Here we have a few more functions for the seat. We'll keep the roof closed for today. It could rain at any moment. Well, you have to consider that the vehicle is from 2002 and is now 22 years old, and I would say it looks pretty clean. What do you think about that? What do you think about how he presents himself? For 22 years, for a 22-year-old vehicle, in my opinion, it still looks great here. And if it gets freshly painted, it will really shine from every angle. Who is this vehicle actually suitable for? What do you all think? Who gets or who buys such a beautiful Mercedes-Benz SL with 306 HP V8? What do you think about it? I think it's a good choice. As a second car, you can't go wrong with that. So, for whom is such a vehicle suitable? Such a Mercedes-Benz SL with 306 HP. What do you think? What do you say about it? What is your opinion on this? I think every sports car enthusiast would say it's a cool summer vehicle. As a second car, you can't really go wrong with it. And it already looks quite impressive, even without the modification. And I am already very excited to see how it will look after the modification. So friends, to summarize, this is indeed a very nice vehicle here. And if you enjoyed the video or want to learn more about this vehicle, then leave me a comment, subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned for the second part when this Mercedes-Benz SL is modified. And I am already quite excited myself. So folks, thank you very much for being here, and stay tuned for the second part. When it comes to the modification, we will film the Mercedes-Benz SL right here at this location again. Until next time, ciao.